When it comes to the advantages of this home, one of the first things we have to talk about is the location. 5357 Stonara Street is located just about 10 minutes from the world-famous Las Vegas Strip, depending on traffic. That means some of the best restaurants, casinos, shopping centers, entertainment venues, shows, and nightlife in Las Vegas are all within easy reach. But what makes this location especially appealing is that you don't have to live on the Strip to enjoy everything it has to offer. During the day, you can come home to a quiet and comfortable residential neighborhood, and when you're ready for dinner, a show, shopping, or a night out, the Las Vegas Strip is just a short drive away. The home is also conveniently located near Harry Reid International Airport, Las Vegas Chinatown, Spring Valley Hospital, and Spanish Trail. You'll also find plenty of restaurants, Asian markets, shopping centers, and everyday conveniences nearby. In real estate, there is an old saying, location, 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 and 5357 Stonara Street truly offers an excellent balance of convenience, comfort, and quality of life. As you step inside, one of the home's biggest advantages becomes clear. The floor plan is incredibly flexible. Upstairs, you will find two primary suite-style bedrooms. One is the main primary suite, while the other is an en-suite bedroom with its own full bathroom. Downstairs, there is another bedroom and a full bathroom. This layout is ideal for retirees, multi-generational families, or homeowners who frequently have family and friends visiting. For example, an older family member can comfortably stay on the first floor, minimizing the need to use the stairs. Meanwhile, adult children or guests can enjoy their own private bedrooms and bathrooms upstairs. The home features a total of 4 full bathrooms, which is every practical advantage for a home in this neighborhood and price range. So the value here isn't simply about having more bedrooms. It's about having spaces that can adapt to your family's needs at different stages of life. Now let's take a look at one of the home's most attractive features, the spacious backyard. The backyard already features multiple mature fruit trees, making it especially appealing for anyone who enjoys gardening, growing fruit, or simply spending more time outdoors. You'll also find extensive paver flooring, an automatic irrigation system, and a beautiful wood and gazebo that has already been built and ready to enjoy. These improvements may seem like small details, but when you add up the materials, design, and construction involved, the total investment can easily reach or exceed $30,000. And the real advantage isn't just the money you've saved. You're also saving the time planning, construction, waiting, and hassle that come with doing all of this yourself. Move in, settle in, and start enjoying it. Inside the home, you will also find several practical upgrades. The approximately 9-foot ceilings help create a more open and spacious feeling throughout the living area. The kitchen features extensive recessed lighting, providing plenty of illumination while giving the space a clean and modern look. Combined with 4 full bathrooms and the flexible bedroom layout, the home is designed not only for comfortable living today, but also for long-term family needs. In other words, you're not just buying the house itself, you're also getting many practical improvements that have already been completed for you. The home is located in Southwest Las Vegas, near the well-known Spanish Trail area. This is an established residential area with a mature neighborhood environment and convenient access to everyday amenities. The property is also located within a gated community. The entrance features an automatic security gate with access available by key fob or remote control, while the exit gate opens automatically. For many homeowners, a gated community offers an additional level of privacy, convenience, and peace of mind. And with Spring Valley Hospital nearby, Residents also have convenient access to healthcare services. For many buyers moving to Las Vegas from California or other parts of the country, there is another major advantage to this location: Las Vegas Chinatown. Chinatown is just a short drive away, offering an incredible variety of Asian dining and shopping options. You'll also find Walmart, Costco, numerous Asian supermarkets, shopping centers, and all the everyday conveniences you need nearby. Whether you're looking for a comfortable retirement home, a place for your family, or a second home in Las Vegas, the convenience of this location is hard to overlook. If you're looking for a home that combines location, flexible living space, privacy, outdoor living, and long-term lifestyle value, then 5357 Stonara Street deserves a closer look. You're approximately 10 minutes from the Las Vegas Strip. You're close to Harry Reid International Airport, Chinatown, Spring Valley Hospital, Spanish Trail restaurants, shopping, and everyday conveniences. You have a bedroom and full bathroom on the first floor. Upstairs, there are 2 primary suite-style bedrooms. The home offers 4 full bathrooms, approximately 9-foot ceilings, and a spacious backyard with mature fruit trees, a wooden gazebo, extensive paver flooring, and automatic irrigation. Put all of these features together, and you have a home that's not only designed for today, but also prepared for the years ahead. This isn't just a house, it's a lifestyle. During the day, enjoy the peace and comfort of home. In the evening, you're only about 10 minutes from the excitement of the Las Vegas Strip. Craving Asian cuisine? Chinatown is nearby. Having family and friends over? There's plenty of space for everyone. 5357 Stonara Street, bringing convenience to your lifestyle and comfort to your home.